You ever look around and feel like everyone else has it figured out, but you're just stuck? Like you're running but on a treadmill? Here's the truth. The biggest problem in your life isn't failure. It's something way quieter and way more dangerous. There's a silent killer of dreams that nobody really warns you about. It's not laziness, it's not lack of talent, it's drift. That feeling when days blur into weeks and weeks into years. You're not unhappy enough to change, but not fulfilled enough to feel alive. You keep saying, I'll figure it out next year, or maybe when things calm down. Spoiler alert, they never do. Most people don't crash. They decay, slowly, quietly, privately. They bury their dreams under responsibility, their creativity under comparison, and their time, they trade it for approval, scrolling, and distractions that don't feed the soul. You think the problem is your job, your city, your relationship, but really, the problem is you. You stopped asking, what do I want? What do I need to feel alive again? There comes a moment, maybe today, maybe 10 years from now, when you wake up and ask, is this it? And that question hits you like a truck, not because you don't have answers, but because you've stopped looking. The real problem? You traded clarity for comfort, and you let the world decide what your life should look like. But it's not too late. Start small. Wake up 30 minutes earlier. Read one page a day. Take one uncomfortable step toward what makes your heart race, even if nobody claps for it. You don't need a map. You need momentum. Because the problem isn't that you're lost. The problem is you stopped moving. So here's your reminder. Drift is silent, but change is loud. Make noise. Wake up. And if this message hit you where it hurts, share it, because someone else out there is drifting too, and they need to hear it.